You guys are aware that pre-sales, they are extremely risky. But BlockDAG has a locked listing price and a product suite that's already ahead of 90% of launched tokens. Please keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This video is for educational purposes only. Alright, so ladies and gents, welcome back to the channel. As stated, we got BlockDAG in the house, you guys, and their listing price, it's insane. So you definitely want to get in soon, alright? So taking a look here, I want you guys to understand BlockDAG technically has raised over $50 million from over 50,000 contributors. They do have a launch price, you guys, and they're expecting it to be, I think, at about 0.05, which we'll talk about here. So let's go ahead and go up here to the very top where we can actually click that buy now button. And you guys can see right here, you're going to need to connect your wallet. In this case, we'll just use Wallet Connect, right? Or MetaMask, I guess I should say. So let's do that. And you guys will see right here, boom. So yeah, BlockDAG, current price, and then we have our next batch. But I want you guys to understand, I mean, they are looking to launch at 0.05, right? This is set. So definitely sounds like we got a killer deal currently at this price for BlockDAG. We're talking about mining, buying, and holding BDAG. They are built into one single dashboard, you guys. So there's going to be a dashboard that you're going to be able to have where you're going to be able to see your mining, you're going to be able to see your buying, you're going to be able to see how much is holding. This is all going to be literally in one single place where you're going to be able to keep track of all of your metrics, and you're going to be able to see everything that is happening. And something else I would just kind of like to mention is that whenever it comes to BlockDAG, you guys, if you're not aware, if you take a look at their main website, kind of briefly showed you, but they do have this mining app. We got available iOS beta, Android beta, right? But I want you guys to understand you can actually start mining, right? That's pretty cool. So you can earn this way. You can also earn, if you take a look here, you can actually buy miners, and then they even have the hardware and then cloud miners. So you're actually going to be able to earn passive income from literally 3 different resources, which is pretty cool. Now, something I want to go ahead and tell you guys, I mean, they've done really good. They have definitely blown up, right? Some explosive social media growth. We're talking about like right here on their Twitter. So you guys can definitely see that. A lot of people here, and they even have a Telegram. So if we actually click right here, we can go to view in Telegram. But I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys right now that both of these are growing. So yeah, they are blowing up, right? So they've already raised a massive amount in the pre-sale. So yeah, guys, BlockDAG definitely killing it so far. Something else I'd like to mention, they definitely do have like 24/7 support, especially whenever it comes to say onboarding. That's something that you do not want to miss out. And they even got like a payment card that's coming soon. It's going to be able to let you spend BDAG literally anywhere. So if we take a look here, you guys can see ecosystem. So important stuff there. Developer hub, right? We even got miners, okay, which is actually pretty cool. There's the payment card right there. So you can click and you guys can see that right there. If we take a look over here, you can see we have the tap miner, and then we even have different type of, we got miner map, right? We have hardware, and then like I stated, they do have cloud mining as well. So BlockDAG, you guys, I'm going to highly recommend you guys check this out and join. You're going to be able to connect your wallet as I did. You're going to be able to put the amount that you want to buy. You can buy with literally many different cryptos here, right? So for example, like Bitcoin, right? You guys can see that, okay? You're gonna be able to just kind of like put in the amount you want, and you guys can see that, right? So pretty easy and simple. You can just kind of switch, right? Obviously, you got to be on the right network, but I want you guys to understand, I mean, BlockDAG, as mentioned, absolutely killing it. A lot of people are going to be joining here, and there's a lot of benefits. So they've raised over 50 million from over 50K contributors. Listing price, as stated, is 0.05. I mean, look at the price now. Look what it's going up to. It's a killer deal. They got that mining, the buying and holding, the token. Literally, you're going to be able to see everything in one single dashboard. Social medias are growing like crazy. You got that 24/7 support, and then they even have that payment card, as mentioned, that's coming very soon. So keep your eyes on BDAG, you guys. So ladies and gentlemen, there you have it, BlockDAG. All right. So this thing's been around for some time, especially for their sale, but they have a lot of things that they have to offer. As mentioned, they've raised what, over $50 million. That's crazy. So check out that link down below. Make sure you join, leave a comment, tell me exactly what you guys think, mash up that like button, that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one.